Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to give you a quick update here because I know I haven't been posting in a long time. It's been a little hiatus for me. Just so you know, the green van here, the green machine, she's going to be up for sale here pretty quick, but we're going to be doing some videos on trying to bring her back up to par, and then I'll have to do an update video of the new van that we got. Well, I put a deposit on, haven't picked it up yet, but that's for my dad. The red POS pickup is still over there. You're about to see a video on this lawnmower. And of course all of these are still here, but the update I wanted to tell you is I've got 2 job interviews coming up this weekend for the next couple of days. And if I'm offered a job for either one of those, well, it's going to need to mean that all these mowers are going to have to go bye-bye, because it's not exactly from home. I don't know if you guys have ever seen that one yet, and that's going to be a future project. If I move, I'm taking this thing with me. But just want to let you guys know about that. There'll be plenty of videos before then, but just wanted to give you guys a little update. The 2 job interviews I have, the close one is about 300 miles north, and the far one is about 600 miles even further north. So maybe some new adventures are coming our way, maybe not. We'll see. But I just want to give you guys a little update and give you guys a few videos. I know it's been a while. Thank you for your continued support. Thank you for watching, commenting, and subscribing. And enjoy the video of this little critter right here. Hey guys, how's it going? I know it's been a long time since I've done a video. Just been real busy with work and just got back from camping and all that, so took a day off to hopefully get ahead on some stuff. These are customer mowers that have been here for a couple months, and I'd like to get them to them as soon as possible. I'm sick of looking at them, and I'm sure the customer could use them. Oh, he's got a brand new tractor I helped him get, so. But let's get these in the operating theater over there and see what they need. I also found this little critter when I was coming home. I was dropping my friend off back at her house that I went camping with, and right by the house I saw this little guy right on the curb. So coming up in a future video, we're going to check it out, try to get it running, and yeah, it doesn't look that old. Fuel kind of stinks, but my friend said that the people that threw this out, they work for a big company, so they got money. So I'm sure that it's nothing major. So we'll be tearing into that in the near future. So stay tuned. Whoops. Okay. So according to the note that I have here, which is I asked the customer to do, a green mower, which is a Craftsman 6.0 horse Briggs & Stratton engine. Let's see. Has a new plug. Needs a complete tune-up. Carb clean, filters, oil. Needs new or sharpened blades. And then, side note, if you can get the self-drive to work easily, fine. If not, then disconnect. No problem. Okay. Well, let's see if it's going to start first. I think that would be a good first step, eh? Check the oil. It's got oil in it. The oil's okay. Not terrible. Gas in the tank. Okay. Alright, I gave her 6 primes. Setting the throttle. Back here. to run pretty good. Well, we'll just check the filter and check the bowl and give her a quick once over. Well, that looks like it's going to be pretty easy. Let's get her up here on the operating table. Whew, it's hot out here today, guys. Alright, first initial observation I'm going to make. The fuel line is cracked. You know, it's just old fuel line. Air filter is quite dirty. So new air filter is in order. So carb cleaning might be in order. We will see. Let me get these 3 bolts out. And we'll see what's up. Okay, behind cover number 1 is very dirty. So that's going to need to be washed. We'll do this live. We'll check the carb bowl. Already pinched the fuel line. Excuse me. Like I said, this fuel line here definitely needs to be changed. But let's get the bowl off. See how the carburetor looks. Obviously, the mower runs okay. You guys heard that. One of these two. I think probably 7/16. I lied. How about probably half? I knew it was half all along. Just seeing if you guys knew. Gas smells kind of okay. Smells like gas. Okay. Metering jet looks really good. Tiniest bit of crud, but you know what? I think we're going to let that fly. And just give the whole thing a good wash. Okay. Okay, the next step in our diagnosis here is self-propulsion. So the easiest thing to do is to lift up the cover and see what it looks like. There appears to be a considerable amount of grass. So that's supposed to move like that. Boy, that's really packed in there. And that's supposed to be engaged. Clearly it's not. So, let's clear this grass out. Figure out why the tensioner is not tensioning. Hmm. Just a minute. This is interesting. Can't quite figure out how this thing works. I know when you pull the cord, that does that. Just like, okay, but it does nothing to put tension on the belt. See? Okay. It should also go up. Something's funky here. I gotta think about this one. Alright, let's try it again. I don't know. I suppose it would be prudent to look under there and try to figure it out. See if maybe it came off of the pulley underneath. That's an idea. So let's get her up here. Let me replace that fuel line. Get her up here and we'll check out down below. Okay. The nerd herders on their way here. Well, I couldn't figure out the self-propulsion, so I just put her back together. Let's see if she's going to run. I did the oil change, sharpened the blade. All I got to do yet is give her a quick rinse off. I also put a new air filter in. sure why it doesn't want to keep starting. This is better than it was, so one down. Alright, I'm going to do what I can on this little one with the battery lights flashing. Here's what the note says. Has new plug. Water came out of the muffler when I tried to start it a few times. That's never a good sign. If it can be fixed, then do the complete blades, filters, oil, etc. Okay, well let's see if it's going to pull over. I notice there's no gas in the tank. Okay, let's see if she's going to fire up a little bit for us. It might have been gas coming out of the muffler. Well, okay, it runs. I think carburetor cleaning is in order. So, I think that's gonna wait for another day. I'm tired. It's getting late. So we got one fixed, and one got kind of an idea what we're gonna do with it. So, okie dokie.